When you crack an egg over the sizzling skillet on a serene Saturday morning, chances are that egg came from a chicken. But what about turkey eggs? Turkey, a bird celebrated overwhelmingly once a year at Thanksgiving feasts across America, produces eggs just as capable of scrambling, frying, or becoming part of a decadent cake. So, why isn't the turkey egg a staple in our refrigerators and on our breakfast plates? This curiosity isn't just a trivial pursuit. The dynamics of turkey egg rarity offer a fascinating glimpse into agricultural practices, economic decisions, and culinary preferences. Delving into why turkey eggs are not as prominent as those of chickens highlights messages from economics and chicken coop politics alike. Turkeys are larger and need more space and food than chickens. Moreover, they lay far fewer eggs. Whereas a chicken brightens a farmer's day with about 250 to 300 eggs a year, a turkey generally musters no more than 100. This infrequent laying cycle, combined with greater resource demands, makes turkey eggs a costly affair. Maintaining turkeys is significantly more resource-intensive than chickens due to their larger size and dietary needs. Feeds cost money, and so does the expanded real estate for comfortable turkey living. Their aggressive nature further complicates flock dynamics and management efforts, resulting in higher labor costs. Breeding practices also contribute to the scarcity of turkey eggs in markets. Turkeys intended for meat are often selectively bred to maximize their size, quite distinct from breeding goals for egg production. Whereas layer chickens are the result of generations of selective breeding focused on maximizing egg output, turkeys reared primarily for meat do not undergo the same sort of genetic refinement for egg production. Thus, their eggs are relegated to a secondary byproduct status, collected less frequently and rarely making it past farm gates except in niche markets. The culinary dimension of turkey eggs is a blend of intrigue and presumed richness. Larger and somewhat creamier than chicken eggs, turkey eggs offer a unique gustatory experience. But here lies the crux. Unusualness can either be a selling point or a barrier. For most consumers familiar with the size, flavor, and versatility of chicken eggs, venturing into turkey egg territory entails a leap of culinary faith. Their robust size and richer yolk make turkey eggs an appealing, albeit rare, delicacy among culinary adventurers. However, in a globalized market where familiarity often trumps novelty on the breakfast table, turkey eggs find themselves more at home on menus of high-end restaurants rather than grocery store shelves. Consumer perceptions are also molded by availability and pricing. Rare on supermarket shelves and priced notably higher than chicken eggs, turkey eggs become a niche product. This exclusivity enhances their allure among gourmet enthusiasts but does little to encourage average shoppers to integrate them into everyday culinary practices. There's an undeniable allure to the exclusivity and elitism associated with infrequent consumption, which, paradoxically, may keep turkey eggs in the domain of occasional indulgence rather than daily sustenance. Facing a world increasingly driven by sustainability and novelty, turkey eggs might just carve out their niche. Millennials and Generation Z, cohorts known for their penchant for trying new and sustainable foods, might sway the scales. If turkey eggs are marketed not only as a unique taste experience but also a choice aligned with sustainable and ethical eating, then perhaps their day in the sun is imminent. The narrative around turkey eggs might also see a shift as local and small-scale farmers explore niche markets. These farmers, who often lead in promoting biodiversity and maintaining traditional farming practices, might find value in championing turkey eggs as part of their product range, especially as consumers increasingly seek connections with their food's origins. Moreover, with the right culinary champions and influencer endorsements, turkey eggs could transform from a farmer's market rarity to a mainstream delight. Envision trendy brunch menus featuring turkey egg frittatas or omelettes, appealing not only to the palate but also to a sense of culinary adventure and environmental consciousness. As we uncover the factors keeping turkey eggs out of the limelight, it's clear that this is more than just an incidental absence. It involves intricate layers of farming economics, cultural culinary practices, and evolving consumer tastes. Whether turkey eggs ever ascend to the breakfast throne occupied by their chicken counterparts might depend on shifts in consumer values, farming innovations, or perhaps a renaissance in how we perceive and value the food on our plates. In any case, the saga of the turkey egg remains a curiously emblematic story of food culture. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.